Summer is coming and look what I've planted in my garden. Okay, first of all, I planted 2 tomatoes because I love tomatoes. I have kale here and I have bell pepper on the window shelf. I'm trying to look for a bell pepper that's coming. Yeah, here it is. Tiny one, but it's gonna get bigger. We have basil leaf, which is a bit like scent leaf, and here some other spices the Ocha use for their soups. Additional ones, we also use it for salad. Then I have some berries here. I have bananas for the first time. Let me try if they will survive, because normally they don't grow here. This is physalis, no clue of the English name, and strawberries. It's gonna be Nierugo's favorite to pluck. This one, I guess it's pepper or bell pepper. I'm not really sure. Let's see what will come out of it. Here are blueberries, and this one is very special. Do you recognize it? Yes, okra. I planted okra in my garden. Let me cook ofe okrandi Swiss this year. I have some pumpkin and, of course, as every year, my grapes. Yeah, Chucky was making noise, but let's continue. The grapes are amazing this year. I have so many that are coming out. I hope they will still be sweet, because sometimes when you have too many, it doesn't taste as good. But let's see. Let's continue to the figs, which I love so much. My tree has exploded literally since I planted it a few years ago, and the harvest is gonna be amazing. There's more berries here. When they're ripe, they will be red. Then I planted the cherry tree, which I'm not sure is going to yield fruit this year, but I'm happy to have cherries in my garden. I have more berries over here, raspberries, and then more berries here, another blueberry, another raspberry, another kale that the snails have been eating, so I had to put in some anti-snail poison. Let's see if it will help me preserve my food. And that's my second cherry tree that has been invaded by these tiny ants, and I had to spray something today because otherwise they will kill my tree. More berries, peppermint, and yep, maybe you recognize it. Don't worry, it's legal. It's legal in Switzerland, and it's not the one with THC, so it's medicinal marijuana that I'm gonna use for my back pain. This one, I don't know the English name. It's very sour but very sweet, and I think I'm gonna cook it today because it has grown quite a lot. You know this one, another one, so yep. It's gonna be a good summer.